In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft Forms with Excel. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. We begin by accessing the Excel Online platform. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Excel Online through the official Microsoft website. Once you have reached the Excel Online page, you will notice an interface that is both familiar and user-friendly, designed to help you manage your spreadsheets effortlessly. After you have launched Excel Online, the next step is to sign into your account. Simply locate the sign in option, typically found prominently on the page. Enter your credentials as prompted by Microsoft. Signing in ensures that you have full access to all the features available on Excel Online, including the ability to integrate data from other Microsoft tools like Forms. Once you have successfully signed in, you will then navigate to the Microsoft Excel Home interface. This is the central hub where you can access your spreadsheets, create new ones, and manage your files. Familiarize yourself with the layout here, as it will allow you to quickly access the tools you need for syncing your Microsoft form responses. The next phase of our process involves working within Excel by inserting additional elements to integrate forms. At this point, direct your attention to the settings and options available within Excel Home. You will see an option labeled Insert. Clicking on Insert expands a menu that contains various elements you can add to your spreadsheet. This is an essential step because it prepares the workspace for incorporating the data connection that links to your Microsoft form. After you have clicked the Insert option, you will find another useful feature labeled Forms is now accessible. Select Forms to continue setting up the integration. This action takes you to the Microsoft Forms interface. Here, you are provided with the tools to create and modify forms. The connection between Microsoft Forms and Excel hinges on the ease with which you can create forms directly within the Excel environment. With the Forms option selected, the final part of the tutorial is dedicated to building your form. Within the Microsoft Forms interface, you will see options and templates that allow you to customize your form to suit your needs. Take your time to design your form and include the questions or fields necessary for collecting data. As you build your form, you will notice that responses will automatically be synchronized with your Excel spreadsheet, providing a seamless integration between data collection and data analysis. Following these straightforward steps will enable you to effortlessly connect Microsoft Forms with Excel, ensuring that every time a user submits a response, the data is neatly recorded and easily accessible in your spreadsheet. Enjoy the simplicity and efficiency of this integration and make the most of your Microsoft Office tools for improved productivity.